In this video, I will highlight some very basic English language idioms and explain their meanings. A blessing in disguise. A good thing that seemed bad at first, but turned out great. A dime a dozen. This means something that is very common and of no particular value. Beat around the bush. When someone avoids saying what they mean, usually because it is uncomfortable. Better late than never. Meaning it is better to arrive late than not to come at all. Bite the bullet. To decide to do something difficult or unpleasant that one has been putting off or hesitating over. Call it a day. Meaning to decide or agree to stop working on something. Cut somebody some slack. Don't be so judgmental or critical about someone or a situation. Cutting corners. When someone decides to do something poorly and with less effort, in order to save time or money. Easy does it. This phrase is used to advise someone to approach a task carefully and slowly. Break a leg. People say this when they are wishing you good luck. Your guess is as good as mine. Used as an expression to mean, I do not know. Back against the wall. Meaning the person is stuck in a difficult circumstance with no sign of escape. On cloud 9. When someone says, I am on cloud 9, they are implying that they are very pleased. Keep an ear to the ground. This means I am staying informed and updated about everything in a situation. If you would like to learn more basic and intermediate English language idioms, please leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching.